Objective of this video is to list the prominent emerging technologies along with their associated impact on cloud ops. Some of the emerging technologies in cloud are containers that make software development faster and agile, serverless architecture, also known as function as a service, and it allows cloud world to spin much faster and more efficiently without application developers worrying about infrastructure and platform. Third is microservices that enables continuous delivery of recently updated software and allows app development to move at faster speed necessitated by cloud era. It also believes in having independent and granular service composition. Internet of Things. In cloud era, everything can be connected to internet. And this vast network of sensors generates enormous amount of data that can be captured, stored, and analytics can be applied to it. And finally, artificial intelligence. It's the emerging technology which is shaping up the future depending on correlation and various different techniques that has been borrowed from neural network. It enables the next generation of underfunded visionaries to realize their vision. Now let's try to understand comparative impact of cloud ops adoption. We have divided it into three important phases, that is early, developing, and maturing. And we are going to compare it on basis of criteria which includes strategy, leadership, workforce development, user force, and culture. Let's take up early. A strategy that is adopted in early cloud ops adoption is based on cost reduction. Leadership lacks awareness and skills to understand cloud and cloud ops benefits. Workforce development is constrained with insufficient investment. You'll find user force non-existent. And culture is risk-averse and disintegrated. From early adoption stage, we'll move to developing, where strategy will be to improve customers' experience and better decision-making. Leadership must be digitally aware. Workforce development must be done through moderate investment. User force must be at a stage of gaining traction, and culture should change from risk-averse to risk-tolerant, innovative, and collaborative. From developing adoption stage, when we move to maturing, we'll find strategy to adopt process transformation. Leadership now becomes more digitally sophisticated. Workforce development needs adequate investment. User force fosters digital transformation, and now culture from risk tolerant should move to risk receptive, innovative, and collaborative. Now we need to analyze impact of emerging technologies on cloud ops. First impact is it brings in portability by providing portable containerized packages for multi-cloud deployment. It also provides optimization by using optimized resource management enabled by serverless architecture. Third important impact is integration of IoT processes in CloudOps pipeline. And finally, it adopts 5G to facilitate better bandwidth. Now we need to focus on CloudOps approach to manage emerging technologies. We have two different approaches. We'll focus from application-centric that provides organizations benefits from the efficiencies of bottom-up approach to infrastructure combined with mature management capabilities of top-down approach. We can clearly see on the exhibit which is being displayed on the screen, we have mission, budgeting, and operational model. This indicates top-down approach. Bottom-up approach is all about identifying right infrastructure, building the right architecture, and adopting right level of automation.